In this video, I'm going to show you how to speed up any internet connection on your Windows 11 or Windows 10 on your PC. So this should be a quick and easy process video. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. The first thing we need to do is to right-click on your search menu, click on Run as you can see. Then go ahead and type in this word as you can see right now, which is ncpa.cpl. After you do that, just click on OK and you will be redirected to this window. After that, just select your Wi-Fi as you can see here. Just go ahead and click on it and then just right-click. So after you right-click, as you can see, just go ahead and click on Properties, which is the bottom option. And then this window will pop up for you, which is your Wi-Fi properties. And then after that, just go ahead and select your Internet Protocol version 4. Click on Properties again. And here just check Use the following DNS server address. Then type in for the preferred DNS server 1111. And for the alternate DNS server, type in 1001. So after you do that, you will be all good to go. Then click on OK after you are all done. As you can see right now, for changes to take place, just click on OK. Now after that, just click on Close, and then right-click again on your Wi-Fi, then go again to the Properties. Then give it a moment to load, then click on Configure. And this window will pop up for you. Just go ahead and click on it to make it visible. After you do that, just make sure this is your Wi-Fi, as you can see. Then go ahead, click on the Advanced tab, as you can see at the tab. And from here, you can go ahead, scroll down until you find that channel information. So go ahead, click on it, make sure it's disabled. So as you can see, now it's disabled. And after that, just scroll down again until you find preferred band, then go ahead. Just click on it, make sure it's on the 5G. 5, as you can see. And now go to aggressiveness, make sure it's on lowest. Mine is okay, so the lowest you choose, it's going to be faster for your Wi-Fi. So go ahead, choose lowest or medium, and you should be all good to go. So after you have done all of that, just go ahead, click on OK. And your internet now should be fast. So this was an easy and quick process video. As always, thank you for watching.